We're gonna give her one pull. Only rule is put on your seatbelt. I'm heading out to the ZG meet because we're gonna get into some thoughtivities, typical YouTuber thing. Gotta do a cold start. I'm gonna head out over there because I like the Atlanta ZG meets because it's usually fun. It's a park and chill, and it ends up with like just doing some thoughtivities. I'm gonna head out there right now. I'm actually heading out kind of early because this time I want to kind of try to do my best to get everybody's car for once. So yeah, it shouldn't be that. I'll be there. I don't know. I'm usually always late. I don't know. Look at this wealth, bro. This guy, I'm not even gonna reveal it. I'm gonna leave it to his video, dude. But my boy came out here boosted, baby. How does it feel? How does it feel to not be slow anymore? Good. I'm so happy, man. So yeah, randomly he hit me up. He was like, dude, where you at? I'm like, bruh, he ended up right by my house. So we're gonna ride out to the meet together. Bromies, and I'm just well, actually my gas is done, but yeah, we're gonna head out together. Wood Gap, just saying. Wood Gap. Hey, right now is the only time I would gap. Just alright. Let's head out of here. Dude, I'm on the highway with Junior right now. Dude, that exhaust sounds so good. Let me see if I can get a clip for you guys. Hold on. I know this is gonna... He's doing it too? Alright, F it. We're gonna do it. Power steering, no power steering sucks. You wanna feel it out? Go for it, bro.
Send it!
Send? Can you fit? How far are the pedals?
Really far.
I mean, we're out here finally. The meat's starting to pack out a little bit. Hey, Chris, you beautiful SOB. I'm trying to be PG. What's good, bro? This guy's been watching me for a hot minute, too. Thank you, man.
Fast lane, dog!
Dude, look at... Look at him, look at him! Damn, what's up with that crooked parking, Doug? Come on now. Is that fast lane, Doug?
Fast lane.
What? Shoot! What's up, dude?
Air Force One X.
Damn, shoot!
Dang, I think you could I was further back than that.
I was like, what's up with this ghetto parking, Doug? You got this?
Y'all just gonna let me park like that?
No, I mean, it's you, Doug. Dang, Doug, how's it feel, man? You out here, bro? It's nice. This is the only time I can say this. Will Gap. You hear that? You hear that supercharger, bro? Oh! You dummy! Man, you said you probably weren't coming, man. You broke my heart, bro.
Told you I was.
Damn, dude, what's going on, man? How you feeling, dude? Yeah, dude, look at this thing. Shoosh. Oh, you slammed it? You lowered it more? Oh my God, bro.
This nigga was like, damn, how are you driving? I was like, fuck it.
You balls deep, dog. Oh yeah, you can tell. Look at the camber.
A minute.
What's up, beautiful? What you doing, dude? Where's your car at, man? What do you mean? Where's your car at?
Electric dust.
Oh my God, bro. I like when people are vibing out of my car. Look at that, bro. Look at that. They're like, it's so clean. Little they know it's ghetto as hell. If it wasn't for Doug, I wouldn't have found out that I had a little leak. Look at that. It makes sense. Now we just do one of these.
Oh, that's yours? Yeah.
Let's take that off. Hey, Doug, do you have a zip tie?
Nah.
So I could do one of these.
I have a bug on you.
See the zip tie, we're good to go, but whatever, this thing's I make too much power, bro. Oh, what's good, dude? I make too much power for my blow-up valves. I blew it off, there it is.
Somebody here gotta have a zip tie.
Yeah, someone got a little too happy. Someone like, oh, F this guy's car, snip. This guy was coming at me so strong on the internet, and then now the car's done and everything, I haven't heard a word, bro. I'm like, but I like Chris. Finally got that, I'm gonna just leave it like this. Y'all know I sometimes just leave it kind of hood. I'll fix it. Bro, watch, you're gonna see this zip tie on here like 2 months from now. Dang, dude, I love C6, bro. This is clean. Nah, this thing's a beast, bro. All right, I'm gonna yell sheesh right now. Let's see how many people do it. Why are you walking away, bro? Why are you walking away? Hey, Will. All right, are you ready? You ready? I'm gonna start it.
Do it. You gotta be over there.
Oh, no, I'll do it. Bro, I got a loud ass voice. You think they won't hear me? Look, watch this. You ready? Sheesh! Yeah, see? Told you, bro. Are you guys roasting my car? Oh, did he come with the blade? Bruh. No, you can cut it. Take the whole thing off? No. It's like, whoa. Shorten it. I need boost, bro. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, bro. Now, why do you have a knife?
I always have a knife. I got a knife for something else.
Hey, okay.
About that on camera.
Oh, well, we gonna talk about that, but thank you, bro. Me too, man. Don't worry.
I was like, you want me to cut the whole thing off?
No. Hey, you about to cut all my boosts out, man.
No.
I like it though. It's functional.
Hey, it looks good. But have you seen the new flaw ones?
Oh boy, don't bring them in here, bro. Come on. They probably look hard, but they fit like booty. Dude, but yeah, I don't know, man. I love Alliance Carbon.
Yeah, these look real good.
His is nice. Maybe he might come out with an update. I don't know. Maybe he might watch the video and be like, oh, we need to make these vents more aggressive. Who knows? But I like it.
A lot of people say that, and I can see why they say that.
I would like it if it was just
they do look great.
extended, probably like out, like maybe like a one
it's
more.
Kind of just like it could use a little bit more.
But I like it a lot.
They do.
I want them, but I want a carbon hood more than anything. Random turbo Datsun. Okay. Dude, that thing is fire. So apparently got an RB26 in the Datsun, bro. Damn. So much wealth out here, you know what I'm saying? It's nice. Oh, what you trying to do, Bernie? Usually, like, maybe we shouldn't heat up the spot. He totally got to heat up the spot. That car sounds sick. Are you ready? You ready?
I guess so.
You guess so? You gonna get nervous?
I probably will.
All right, so we're gonna give her one pull. I don't know where. We're gonna have to find a spot. Hopefully you don't get too scared. We'll see. And you're gonna have to kind of hold on to something. I don't know what, but we'll pray for you. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, you fit perfect. Look at that, dude. Hell yeah.
Oh, you need a couple little pillows and cushions.
I know.
Hey, only rule is put on your seatbelt.
You don't have a fucking seatbelt.
I know.
I feel like I'd be better sitting.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
Just-
Wait, can this see me? It's recording.
I hope so. Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
I hope you won't die.
I don't think I'll die. Now I'm down here.
Just hold on. Well, you know.
Okay.
All right. Oh,
This
fuck.
isn't illegal. They don't get mad at y'all for doing this.
Oh, this is totally illegal. Nothing about this is legal. You ready?
I guess so.
All right.
Holy! How are you not scared to wreck?
What do you mean?
Or
It's
it's
fine.
fine.
Are you really shitting yourself?
Look, they're looking at you.
They're like, damn, he's got some fresh wheels.
They're probably thinking you're crazy.
Are you ready for like a drift?
I guess so.
No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Not with you in the car like this. I got no power steering. Don't judge me. Well, I'm poor. I can't afford power steering.
There's like literally one of the things that I actually understand what you're talking about. I'm like, all right, power
But you don't
steering.
got power steering? All right,
No, I
ready?
guess I know what it is.
Are you ready?
I am.
Okay.
That did not sound healthy.
Oh, that's fine. Dude, you did great.
You're like the kind of person who runs over a curb.
You're fine, dude. Look, you did so proud of you, man. Hell yeah. I like you. Like, we need more people like you. Look at that. Balls to the wall, don't care. But yeah, I'll give you a highway pull when I actually have a seat.
What's a highway pool?
Oh, you're gonna learn. We'll link back up. We gotta get back to the meet.
It was fun.
Because you're not a car person at all.
I'm not a car person.
You think you will be?
Probably not, but I do like driving.
All right, she's done with the video. I'm gonna edit everything out that she did, but you did a good job. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Look at that, and a fist bump. Wow. Honestly, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. It makes me genuinely happy whenever people like enjoy my car. So I'm gonna do more ride-alongs, man. I want to get another seat so I can make this happen. Also, for not posting this entire week, guys, I am sorry, but if you guys saw that post, I just haven't been myself 100%. I feel perfect now. Still working, you know, just to make sure like I'm mentally there all the time. So for everybody who reached out, I really do appreciate it. I know I don't respond that much to that stuff because I tend not to be that emotional, but thank you, I appreciate it. If you guys haven't already, make sure you freaking like and subscribe to the video. Helps get out in the algorithm. And if you want to see more ride-alongs, just let me know. And I don't know, if you gotten this far in, what do I make them say? Pineapples? If you got this far in the video, make sure you type in pineapples. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one.